Dear students, we are starting chromatography, so we'll go through the basics of chromatography. It's actually a well-known separation technique and it's quite developed as compared to the rest of the separation techniques. When we have a sample, it contains a mixture of components. So if we need to separate those components, we need some separation technique. Chromatography is considered as one of the separation techniques, purification techniques, isolation technique. So in a nutshell, we have solutes in a mixture and we have two phases. One is referred to as mobile phase, which is moving phase, or it's a fluid like a gas or a liquid. And we have a stationary phase, which is not movable, it is fixed, maybe a trapped liquid in a solid or a solid material. So a solute interacts with mobile phase and stationary phase, and according to its nature, it has attractive forces and interactions with mobile and stationary phase according to the nature of the mobile and stationary phase. Nature, like mobile phase is polar, stationary phase is non-polar, and vice versa. That is, mobile phase is non-polar, stationary phase is polar. And as far as the mechanism is concerned in chromatography, this separation can be done by means of partition, purely based upon solubility of a solute in mobile phase and stationary phase. It may be carried out by adsorption, where the solute will tend to adsorb at the stationary phase. It may be carried out by ion exchange, where cations and anions are exchanged by respective ion exchangers like cation exchanger or anion exchanger, or it may be on the basis of size. Based upon their size, smaller size or larger size or bigger size molecules are separated. As far as the mode is concerned, chromatography can be done by sheet method, which is commonly referred to as planar method as well, and it includes paper chromatography as well as thin layer chromatography or TLC, whereas it can be carried out by column, where the stationary phase is packed and the mobile phase is moved through the stationary phase, and solute interacts with both mobile phase and stationary phase and gets separated. That may be like gas chromatography, liquid chromatography, or ion exchange chromatography, or gel permeation chromatography, or size exclusion chromatography. These all can be done by means of columns or even HPLC, etc. So chromatography is a separation technique where a solute or components in a mixture get separated from each other by means of their interaction with a solid phase, stationary phase, or a mobile phase.